Hey guys, it's Brianna, aka Hooked by Brianna. I haven't made a video since last year, so I thought I would do one today. I'm gonna be doing like a how to crochet my red cardigans because everybody has been asking for a pattern or something like that, and I felt like the easiest way was to just make a video. So basically all you need to do is make a bunch of these little squares, which I will put the amount that I use personally there, but it always varies on how long you want the cardigan to be and what size you're trying to make it. And then you need the back panel, which I'll put a picture here so you know what I'm talking about. But a back panel with however many rows you need for the width of the cardigan that you need. And then these for the sleeves, which you will fold in half. I like to make the outside row red so it'll like match the main color too. So yeah, just these sleeves and another one. And I'll come back for the construction part because that's really all I need to teach you. If you need to know how to make granny squares, which is what all of these pieces are, I'll put a link down below of what I use to learn how to make my granny squares. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and share it with your crochet friends if you feel like it. So now we are constructing this. This is the back section. These are the sides, and these are the front panel things. So I'm gonna sew each section together. First I'll start by sewing these 8, then I'll attach it to the middle, and then I'll just attach these strips together, then attach that accordingly. And we leave one here and one space here for the armholes, and attach this part to the front of the back panel. And yeah, I'll come back once I do that. So I don't know if that made any sense. So here's me trying to draw a little diagram of the cardigan for you to get a better understanding. So the big square is the back panel, then the little ones are the little granny squares. And then on the sides, that's where you add more granny squares, but you leave one space empty for the armholes on both sides. So I'm just trying to draw that. And then I did the little squigglies to know that you don't sew those any squares there. And then those are the little sleeves I just drew. And then on top of this, I drew the front section of granny squares. And yeah, you'll just attach it at the top to the back panel. So this is what it looked like when I sewed those 8 back pieces together. And then this is when I sewed it to the back panel. Now here's me sewing the side little sections onto the back panel as well. So this is what it looked like when I sewed the front panels and the side panels on. In this clip, I'm just showing where I'm placing my sleeves. Here, I'm just showing the optional pockets that I'm attaching and showing where I'm going to sew along. And then for the sleeves, I'm just sewing along this line here. So this is what it looks like when the sleeves and everything are sewed on, and here's me showing that I'm going to do the border next. And this is what it looked like on before I did the border. So this is after I completed the bottom part of the border. Now I have to go along the edges that I'm showing here. And here's what it looks like on when I finish the inner border. I don't know what to call it, but you know what I mean. And yeah, that's it. This has been more of like a guide than a straight up tutorial because it is hard to go into that much detail, but I hope this helped. Here's some pictures that I took later today that It should be on my Instagram now. So check it out, leave it a like, and follow me on Instagram and TikTok. And yeah.